Hey everybody, just want to give you all a quick video on how to reset the perform service light on a 2022 Ram. This one specifically is on a 5500, but this works for 2019s on up. And it's a fairly simple process to do, but we'll show you real quick the perform service light that we're talking about. All right, so this perform service code comes on at 75,000 miles, and basically it tells you you need to replace your crankcase breather filter. It sits on top of your valve cover. Previous video from about 6 months ago, I show how to change that. If you don't know how, you can find it on there. But anyways, I changed mine at about 60 because if you don't change them at the right times and they plug up, they can start causing like your front and rear main seals to leak. They create too much crankcase pressure, and then you get a bunch of other problems. But anyways, so start it up. We'll show you what we're talking about here. Under our messages, gives you perform service. So we'll shut it back down. All right, so we come over here. We turn it to run, no foot on the brake pedal. You do not start it. You will step on the brake pedal twice. And you will step on the gas pedal twice. Come back over here, turn your ignition off, and then we will come up here, start the truck. Let it go through its thing. Voila. No stored messages. So that's how you do it. Anyways, that's how you do it. Quick note, I did notice that I've seen multiple videos, multiple forums that said how to do it and whatnot. There's step on the gas pedal twice, step on the gas pedal 3 times. For my 5500, stepping on the gas pedal 3 times actually reset the oil filter life without having to go through and hold it to reset. But stepping on it twice is what worked on my truck. It's what's worked on other trucks that I've done in the past and whatnot. So that's that. Brake pedal twice, gas pedal twice. It should take you about 10 seconds to step on them each twice combined, and it'll reset. There's a bunch of videos out there how to do it, but it's all a matter of timing. You do it too slow or too fast, it won't reset it. So it's all about timing on hitting it just at the right sequence. Anyways, see y'all in the next one. Hope this helps y'all out. Feel free to like and subscribe and share the content, and we'll go from there. Y'all have a nice day.